Hello everyone, how are you today? In previous video we explaining the lesson, addition of fraction. In this video we are going to explain subtraction of fractions. I will start by explaining the lesson quickly to save time. To subtract or add fractions same way, but instead of adding, subtracting. The important thing in subtract to fraction is denominator. To subtract them we must make same denominator. If you have same denominator, like 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5, directly subtract 4 from 2. And the denominator remain 5. 4 minus 2 is 2, so the answer is 2 over 5. If have different denominator, you have to wait to make them same, as we took before. Let's explain this well and take example, so let's get started. First way, which is easy way, but you can't use it in any fraction. Example about this way, 7 over 2 minus 5 over 4. The first denominator is 2 and the second is 4. The biggest is 4, so look directly to 2. Ask yourself, how can I change to 4? Very good. If you multiply 2 by 2, you get 4. So multiply denominator by 2. And of course multiply numerator also. 7 times 2 and 2 times 2. So the fraction become 14 over 4. Now put it over same denominator. Subtract the numerators. 14 minus 5. It is 9, so the answer is 9 over 4. Second way, which is easy way also, but you can use it in any fraction. If you do not know which number, you should multiply the smallest denominator by, or if you can't multiply it in any number, to become same to largest denominator. Easily, each denominator multiplied it by the same number of another denominator. Example, 6 over 9 minus 5 over 8. Let's think as previous. The first denominator is 9 and the second is 8. The biggest is 9, so look directly to 8. Ask yourself, how can I change 8 to 9? Excellent. You can't change, because you can't find 9 in multiplication table of 8. So as we say before, each denominator multiplied it by the same number of another denominator. The first denominator is 9 and the second is 8. So multiply 8 by 9 and 9 by 8. Of course, don't forget to multiply numerator also. Now put them over same denominator. Subtract them, so the answer is 3 over 72. Note, if you have fraction and you want to subtract it to natural number, easily, put the natural number over 1 and solve normally. Example, 5 minus 1 over 3. The natural number is 5, so put it over 1. Become 5 over 1. Now subtract normally. The first denominator is 1 and the second is 3. The biggest is 3, so look directly to 1. Ask yourself, how can I change 1 to 3? Very good. If you multiply 1 by 3 you get 3. So multiply denominator by 3. And of course multiply numerator also. 5 times 3 and 1 times 3. So the fraction become 15 over 3. Now put it over same denominator. Subtract the numerators. 15 minus 1. It is 14, so the answer is 14 over 3. If you are still having difficulty after this detailed explanation of subtraction of fractions, follow with us to solve some question. But before we begin to solve the question, this is the most important words that were mentioned in the explanation along with their translation into Arabic, because our goal is to convey knowledge to the entire world. In this lesson I will solve only one question that includes several parts, each part having an idea. Exercise. Calculate a3 minus 9 over 4. You notice directly that you have a natural number, so changing it to fraction by placing 1 under it. Now subtract them normally. The biggest is 4, so look directly to 1. Ask yourself, how can I change 1 to 4? Very good. If you multiply 1 by 4 you get 4, and of course multiply numerator also. So the fraction become 12 over 4. Now put it over same denominator. Subtract the numerators. 12 minus 9. It is 3, so the answer is 3 over 4. Be 3 over 8 minus 7 over 32. The biggest is 32, so look directly to 8. Ask yourself, how can I change 8 to 32? Very good. If you multiply 8 by 4 you get 32, and of course multiply numerator also. So the fraction become 12 over 32. Now put it over same denominator. Subtract the numerator. 12 minus 7. It is 5, so the answer is 5 over 32. See 7 over 3 minus 3 over 7. The biggest is 7, so look directly to 3. Ask yourself, how can I change 3 to 7? Excellent. You can't change, because you can't find 7 in multiplication table of 3. So each denominator multiplied it By the same number of another denominator, the fraction become 49/21 and 9/21. Now put them over same denominator. Subtract them. So the answer is 40/21. I am very happy that you have reached the end of solving the questions. This is summary of this lesson. You should know that reviewing the video is very useful, and practicing solving the questions is very important to memorize the form and logic of the information. Good luck, friends. In the next video we will explain equivalence, simplifying and comparison of fractions.